I'd like to share something with you. I've been speaking about Imam Bukhari and the importance of Sanad and hadith, and I've been mentioning hadith, Bukhari, chains of narration. So I'd like to narrate, this was a tradition. Ulama would narrate chains, hadith with chains of narration. So what I'd like to do is narrate the first hadith of Ṣaḥīḥ of Bukhārī to all of you with a complete uninterrupted chain of narration. And when I say uninterrupted, I mean from me till Imam Bukhari rahmatullahi alayh, till Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And I have a number of chains, but the uniqueness of the chain that I am going to relate to you is that every single scholar in this chain didn't hear just one hadith, but they heard the whole of the Ṣaḥīḥ of Imām Bukhārī. So entirely. So I studied the whole of Ṣaḥīḥ al-Bukhārī. I'll only mention it once, and for each scholar I'll mention he from. But when I say he from, I'm not talking about one hadith. I mean that scholar studied the whole of Ṣaḥīḥ al-Bukhārī from his teacher and shaykh and going back all the way to Imam Bukhari. So I studied the whole of Ṣaḥīḥ al-Bukhārī with our Shaykh Islam al-Haq rahimahullah. And he studied it with, and he heard the whole of Ṣaḥīḥ al-Bukhārī from his teacher, Mufti Kifayatullah of Delhi, Hind, India. He, from his teacher, Shaykh al-Hind, Mawlana Mahmud al-Hasan ibn Dhil Fiqar al-Diyawbandi. He, from his shaykh and teacher, Mawlana Qasim Muhammad bin Asad al-Nanotwi, rahimahullah. He, from his teacher, Shaykh Abdul Ghani ibn Abi Sa'id al-Mujaddidi, rahimahullah. He, from his teacher, Shah Muhammad Ishaq ibn Muhammad Afdal al-Dahlawi, rahimahullah. He, from his grandfather, Shah Abdul Aziz al-Dahlawi. He, from his father, Shah Abdul Rahim, Shah Ahmad ibn Abdul Rahim, Waliyullah al-Dahlawi. He, from his shaykh, Imam Abu Tahir, Muhammad ibn Ibrahim al-Kurdi al-Madani. He, from his father, Imam Burhanuddin Ibrahim ibn Hassan al-Kurdi al-Madani. He, from his shaykh, Imam Safiyuddin Ahmad ibn Muhammad al-Qushashi. He, from his shaykh, Imam Abu al-Mawahib Ahmad ibn Ali al-Shinnawi. He, from his shaykh, Shamsuddin Muhammad ibn Ahmad al-Ramli. He, from his shaykh, Imam Abu Yahya Zakaria ibn Muhammad al-Ansari. He, from his shaykh, the name which I've mentioned, Al-Imam al-Hafiz Shihabuddin Abu al-Fadl Ahmad ibn Ali ibn Hajar al-Asqalani, rahimahullah. He, from his shaykh, Imam Abu Ishaq Ibrahim ibn Ahmad al-Tannuhi. He, from his shaykh, Imam Abu al-Abbas Ahmad ibn Abi Talib al-Hajjar. He, from his shaykh, Imam Sirajuddin Abu Abdullah al-Husayn ibn Mubarak al-Zabidi. He, from his shaykh, Imam Abu al-Waqt Abdul Awwal ibn Isa al-Harawi al-Sidzi. He, from his shaykh, Imam Abu al-Hasan Abdul Rahman ibn Muhammad al-Dawudi al-Bushanji. He, from his shaykh, Imam Abu Muhammad Abdullah ibn Muhammad al-Hammuyi al-Sarakhsi. And he, from his shaykh, Imam Abu Abdullah Muhammad ibn Yusuf ibn Matar al-Farabri. And he, from our great Imam, the Amir of Hadith, Imam Abu Abdullah Muhammad ibn Ismail ibn Ibrahim ibn Mughira ibn Bardizbah al-Ju'fi rahimahullah, who says, حدثنا الحميدي عبد الله بن الزبير قال حدثنا سفيان قال حدثنا يحيى بن سعيد الأنصاري قال أخبرني محمد بن إبراهيم التيمي أنه سمع علقمة بن وقاص الليثي يقول سمعت عمر بن الخطاب رضي الله عنه على المنبر قال سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يقول إنما الأعمال بالنيات وإنما لكل امرئ ما نوى فمن كانت هجرته إلى دنيا يصيبها أو إلى امرأة ينكحها فهجرته إلى ما هاجر إليه. That Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Alqamah ibn Waqqas says, I heard Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu on the minbar say, I heard the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam say, deeds are only by intention, and for each man is only what he has intended. So whoever's emigration and hijrah is for the world, to the world, that he seeks to acquire, or to a woman that he seeks to marry, then his hijrah is to that to which he has emigrated. So that's the first hadith of Ṣaḥīḥ of Bukhārī, with a continuous, uninterrupted chain from me, as I have related to you, to Imam Bukhārī rahmatullahi alayhi, and onwards to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And as I said, every one of these scholars has studied the entire Ṣaḥīḥ of Imām Bukhārī with his teacher, not just one hadith. And I studied it, as many do, for a whole year under our teacher, Shaykh Islam al-Haq rahimahullah.